Welcome guys. Treadmills are indoor cardio machines that let you walk, jog, or run on a moving belt, giving you a controlled, weatherproof way to build fitness and endurance at home or in the gym. Starting number 1. UREVO Strol 2E Treadmill. The UREVO Strol 2E Smart 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a compact, space-saving treadmill designed for both walking and light running at home or in the office. It features a foldable safety handle, dual LED display, smart app connectivity, and plug-and-play setup. Powered by a quiet 2.25 HP motor, it offers speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour, a 265 pounds weight capacity, and an advanced shock absorption system for a smoother, more comfortable workout, making it ideal for use with a standing desk or in small living spaces. Number 2. Goplus 2-in-1 Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a versatile home fitness machine that functions as both an underdesk walking pad and a running treadmill. Powered by a 2.25 HP quiet motor, it offers speeds from 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour, features app and remote control, a multi-function LED display, and a foldable, installation-free design for easy storage. With its shock-absorbing running belt, built-in Bluetooth speaker, and compact footprint, it's an excellent choice for home offices and small living spaces. Number 3. Echelon Stride Folding Treadmill. The Echelon Stride Series Stride 4S22 treadmill is a premium folding treadmill designed for immersive home workouts. It features a 22-inch HD touchscreen that tilts, swivels, and rotates 180 degrees for live classes, scenic runs, and cross-training through the Echelon Fit app. Powered by a 3.0 CHP brushless motor, it reaches speeds up to 12.5 miles per hour with incline support, while its space-saving fold-flat design, built-in transport wheels, and intuitive controls make it ideal for home gyms and apartments. Number 4. Sunny Health Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness TreadPad low-profile walking pad is a compact underdesk treadmill designed to keep you active while working or at home. Its slim, space-saving design easily fits under most desks and features a 45.7 x 16-inch walking surface, Bluetooth connectivity with the Sunny Fit app for thousands of guided workouts and global routes, a digital LED display, remote control, and adjustable speeds from 0.5 to 6.0 miles per hour. The low-impact, shock-absorbing deck provides a comfortable walking experience. Number 5. ProForm Trainer 12.0 Treadmill. The ProForm Trainer 12.0 Treadmill, PFTL 99721, is a feature-rich home treadmill designed for interactive fitness. It includes a 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen with iFit compatibility, a 3.0 CHP motor, speeds up to 12 miles per hour, 0 to 12% digital incline, and ProShocks Z cushioning to reduce impact on joints. Its space-saver folding design with Easy Lift Assist makes it easy to store, making it an excellent choice for walking, jogging, and running at home. Number 6. Life Fitness Treadmill. The Life Fitness Treadmill with Track Connect console is a premium home treadmill built for comfort, durability, and connected training. It features the patented FlexDeck shock absorption system to reduce stress on knees and joints, contact and wireless heart rate monitoring, quick start memory for preferred speed and incline settings, and a soft drop folding design with transport wheels. The Track Connect console offers Bluetooth connectivity to the Life Fitness Connect app and compatible fitness apps. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.